is a nearly $2 million custom Lamborghini Urus. How beautiful is the paint job? So we've got custom forged carbon fiber. Coming around, these massive wheels with special carbon fiber covers. And this is why it's so special. This is the only two-door Lamborghini Urus. At the back, we've got our 3 spoilers. And this awesome tri-exhaust. Before I show you guys inside, check out the key in the special custom color. Check it out. This is a Venatus by Mansory, and it's a 1 of 8. And this one is completely custom. How beautiful is the interior? Okay, jump on the other side. Start stops on the roof. In reverse, I've got a special 3D camera, and you can check the whole car in 3D. And when I turn the wheel, you can see it turning in live time. We've got the star roof going all the way around the back, and on the other side, we've got our special custom seats, Mansory, Coupe, and custom seat belts. I think it's time to drive. Let's change roads. Let's go. Whoa. To 100 in 2.9 seconds, but that felt so much faster. And this bad boy has been pumped up to 900 horsepower. You can feel it.